I recall when we first met a long time ago. How could I forget the way I felt when I first laid eyes on you? I remember saying to my friends, there is my future wife, and then I took the step to meet.
Hey you guys, welcome to our second video with Mommy and Gabby.
Hey you guys, so today we are making some chicken fajitas. Simple ingredients. All you need is some chicken breasts, which I've already cut and sliced, some green peppers, some onions, taco kit. I use a taco kit. I have some fajita sauce. I love using sazon, brings the flavor out in your meat. Onion powder, garlic powder. Stand down. Adobo, black pepper, seasoning salt, and some cheese and sour cream for garnishing after it's done.
I love sour cream.
So to get started, the first thing you have to do is you need to
Turn it on.
heat your pan.
And then when you heat your pan, you wait until it's ready.
So we're gonna turn our pan on. So I just want to ask you guys some questions. This is actually like our first real vlog while we're in the house. Just me and Gabby. My husband is at work, so
Comes home in the middle of the night.
yes. So we're home by ourselves,
And
and
Panda's home with us.
oh, Panda.
Little Panda.
He wants to eat, so we're gonna have to feed him.
After our video.
Panda. So
This is the house that
I just want to ask you guys some questions. You know, we're really new to YouTube. This is something that we have never done before. It's something that my daughter has been like driving me crazy about to do.
But we never did this before.
No.
We
So
we usually just watch videos.
true. We both watch YouTube a lot. We do.
Daddy just
Everyone that I'm subscribed to, everyone that she's subscribed to, she watches. But we kind of want some ideas of
we need some ideas about
things to do on our own page, right, Stink?
Yes. We can do anything on our own page.
Right. And a little bit of adobo. I also put sazon. It's a Goya product. Yeah. Okay. Hold the camera. Hold it steady. A little bit of sazon.
5.
And then you want to mix.
Mix.
Chicken around. See how it's nice and golden on one side. You want to make sure it's like that on both sides. Right, Gabby?
Yes, you do. And make sure you always have a pan.
Yes. Turn them all over. Up a little bit.
I can barely see the chicken fajita from here. Bring it up to see the chicken fajita a little bit higher.
Now, the chicken breast does not take that long to cook at all.
No, I don't.
So while it's still cooking on this side, I'm going to take my onions, my bell peppers,
Bella.
Alright, you guys, so I'm going to just add a little bit of fajita seasoning. I think that's enough. And then you have to add some hot water, warm water. I just want to make sure that the seasonings are covering it. It smells so good. It smells like I'm in, like, what is it, Chili's? Chili's. Smells good. Smell good, Gabe? Alright, we're going to add some water. And I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Not too much. And this should come to like a simmery kind of like simmer. Huh? Yeah. Yes. So we're gonna let that cook for a minute, and while it cooks, I'm gonna sit over here with Gabby. So this is the finished product of what it should look like when it's done. The chicken, bell peppers, onions, a nice little sauce. See that? So we're gonna get back to you guys when we are about to eat in our next video, which will be a mukbang video on these chicken fajitas. So come eat with us. See you in our next video. Say bye, Gabs.
Bye-bye.
Hey.